Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was down and visited my buddies at Concept One Pulley Systems, and I found a very cool 1957 Chevrolet I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around and take a quick look at it. Brian, how are you this morning?
I'm good.
Good, brother, man. A 1950s. You had all the classics sitting around here, right? A 59 El Camino, a 57 Chevrolet, couple of first generation Camaros in the back.
Yeah, we got a few.
And you're one of the cool kids. Yeah. Tell me about this 57. Is that something you built yourself, or?
No, actually, I did not build this car. I bought this car out of Austin, Texas. You know, it came to me as an original car, and you know, we did some touches on it. We changed up all the suspension on it, and we got it sitting down on the ground. Changed the wheels up on it. Got it sitting the way we wanted it to sit. Changed the motor in it and done some things that we want to.
Right. Personal touches.
Personal touches.
But you didn't touch the interior.
We did not touch the interior in it. I love that factory style interior in it, you know.
Yeah, no,
I love that traditional look.
A custom interior is cool, but I don't have any problem with that either.
No.
I think that fits the car really
Sometimes
well.
a custom interior can date a car.
Right.
And this one here will never go out of date.
That's right.
So,
and this one's not done to a level. I mean, you drive this one.
Oh yeah, I drive it.
Yeah. So this one here, like I said, you might as well roll with that because it's
Yeah.
a very, very clean parking lot cruiser for sure.
Yes.
And what engines do they have in it now?
That's a 383.
Okay.
With a 5-speed.
Old school.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then wheels and tires, what do we got going on
Those
there?
are just billet specialties. 17s in the front and 20s on the rear.
I guess nothing's been done to it. There's not any body modifications or anything like that.
Now the exhaust, we cut the rear bumpers.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Looking at it, I forgot when I was shooting it. I was like, how cool is that?
Yeah, we did cut the rear bumpers and throw the bumpers up in the exhaust, but that was about it.
Has the Tri-5 Chevy's always been something you've been interested in?
Yeah. I like the Tri-5, so. But
You're a GM guy.
oh yeah, I'm definitely a GM guy.
Because I mean, you got the Tri-5s, you got first generation Camaros.
Yeah.
You like that period stuff.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
No, very cool collection, and you know, it's 57, like I said. And we should mention, Concept One Pulley has me down here doing this, and you're a big fan of theirs. So this car and the 59 Impala both run in their front runner systems.
Yeah, that's all I use is Kevin's.
Yeah, you wouldn't have it anyway else.
Nope, been using for 20-something years.
When you had that El Camino built for Alloway, did you request anything besides that?
That was all I requested.
That was it. Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah.
And I told Bobby that's all I requested, that we use Concept One Pulley Systems.
Boy, that says a lot right there.
So.
No. Both of these very cool cars, man. And again, I appreciate you giving me some time today to come in and look at them.
Okay, you're welcome.
So there you go, very cool 1957 Chevrolet from Brian Kilgore and Concept One Pulley Systems. Hope you all enjoyed it. See ya! Make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.